Hello everybody, and today, well, today I'm going to show you how to build, I don't know what's happening, a cobblestone generator in Minecraft. So what you're going to need is, a lava bucket, and water bucket, and any block, but not wood, it will burn. So for example, stone brick. So what you're gonna do is 1, 2, 3, 4. So just break 4 blocks. Then you want to break the second block. Then you want to take the block that you chose and put it right over there. Like I chose the stone brick. Then you're gonna take the water and put it on the longer side of here. Then you want to put lava here. Then you want to break this cobblestone. So when you break that cobblestone, oh no, cobblestone, 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 cobblestone. I'm stuck. I'll let you get it. Bye.